Okay, people, it is I, back again, Janita. I'm sharing with you guys some results of me. As far as me, I told y'all I was straightening up my little pantry area. As you can see now on the floor, I'm showing you guys, it's nothing but stacks of neatly packed water here. And our little juice, those two big old bags of brown sugar and some juice. So basically what happened here is I can show you the floor now is that I cleaned the area up. Yay! It was overwhelming still, yes, because it was so much. I still have a few items that I need to sort out, but it's okay because I got this monstrosity of a mess that was on this floor up and have my water and stuff stacked up here neatly. And y'all can see the little shelf when I last showed y'all with my canned goods up there. We've been going through them, so some stuff is disarrayed for a second. We got to straighten it back up. But y'all remember when I straightened up the seasoning aisle and stuff, the fish fried, then the canned goods, and now I got my little juice and water sitting over here, extremely looking nicely. So I'm happy about that. So just sharing with you guys our SHTF haul. Ready for all and everything. Supposed to be. Yes we are. So thanks again for y'all coming here and watching my pantry organization series, I'm gonna call it, because I got a few videos I share with y'all about how I was organizing my pantry. And I just want to thank you guys for watching, commenting, thumbsing up the ones that are doing what they supposed to do, because there's still, yes, some ignorant ass subscribers out there that act like they don't know how to support no one. They don't give no thumb up, they don't leave a nice comment, and they don't share the video. Those ignorant ass subscribers. And also, I don't want to do this, but anyway, I hope y'all seen what y'all crazy ass president did. He done got up and left the hospital and made a drive-by around the corner of the hospital to say hello to his damn Trump supporters. Did y'all see that shit? Is he not crazy or what? Who does that? He got a contagious disease and his ass gonna leave the goddamn hospital, got people in the car with his contagious ass. That's all I got to say. Y'all Google the news and check it out for yourself. But other than that, thank y'all for watching this organization pantry series of mine. And y'all leave comments, thumbs up, share this video. And don't be an ignorant ass subscriber. Bye.